Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add Myro meme coin to your trust wallet. So before we start the video, please don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. It really helps my channel grow. So I will show you to you on desktop. You can do the similar thing on your mobile phone. So once you have trust wallet downloaded on your computer or mobile, and once you have it set up, all you can do is you can copy this address first. As you can see in the contracts, just at the right side of Solana, simply copy this and go to your trust wallet over here. And as you can see, this is just a video wallet. There are no funds in this wallet. So simply go to search over here, and over here you can copy and paste the token name or the contract address. So I will copy paste this, and as you can see now Myro is showing over here. So simply click on this, and then Myro is imported to your trust wallet. This is this simple. And in case if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.